Hello lovelies and welcome to today's tutorial. We are making this beaded ball key holder. So let's get our materials ready. It's very fast to make. This is called 30 beaded ball. So you are going to need 30 pieces of size 10 millimeter beads. You can use any size you want, but I'm using size 10 mm, 0.7 mm wire line, your beads, and a pair of scissors. So I made mine in the shape of a key holder, so you are going to need a key holder hook as well. You can also make it in the shape of earrings. You can design it for earrings, you can design it for necklaces, but today I'm designing it for key holder. So my materials are ready. We are going to start by picking 5 beads. Pick 5 of our beads and put all the 5 beads on the left hand of the fishing line and cross with the 5th one. So when you finish crossing, the work should look like this. The next step is to pick 4 beads and put all the 4 on the left hand of the fishing line and cross with the 4th one. So I'm loading on my 4 beads and I'm crossing with the 4th one. Cross with the 4th one. If you look closely, this place is unattached, so we are going to pass our right hand fishing line into this bead. Go into this bead. Next step is to pick 3 beads. You put all the 3 on the left hand fishing line and cross with the 3rd one. Now we enter this one. We pass the fishing line into this bead. So repeat this step 2 more times. We're taking 3, putting all the 3 on the left hand fishing line and crossing with the 3rd one. Then we are passing once again into this bead. Taking 3 beads again, put all the 3 beads on the left fishing line and cross with the 3rd one. Crossing with the 3rd one. So at this stage, we are going to enter the next 2 beads. It's 1 and 2. Next step, we are going to pick 2 beads, put the 2 on the right fishing line and cross with the 2nd one. There you go. Now we enter once into the next bead. We are entering this bead. So we finished the first phase of the ball. If you look closely, you can see this is like half ball now. Now we are going to start the second phase. We pick 3 beads, put all the 3 on the left fishing line and cross with the 3rd one. enter into the next 2 beads. Next phase, 2 beads. Put the 2 beads on the left fishing line and cross with the second one. Then you pass your fishing line into the next 2 beads. 1 and 2. Pick 2 beads again. Put the 2 on the left fishing line and cross with the second one. You enter into the next 2 beads again with your right hand, the right fishing line. Go into the next 2 beads. We are almost done. Pick 2 beads again. And lock with the second one. In this phase, we are going to enter into the next 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. We are entering into the next 3 beads. 1, 2, and 3. Then for the final phase, we are picking only 1 bead. Put the 1 bead on the left hand fishing line and cross with the same bead. So now our ball is ready. We are going to pass the fishing line round and then we'll tie. So now I'm going around the top beads with my rope, with my fishing line, and then I'm going to tie to secure the fishing line. Now I've passed round, I can tie now. My ball is ready. I'm going to attach my key holder. The same thing I did for this one. The same thing we did for this one. We're going to do the same thing for this as well. And to secure the knot, we pass the fishing line back into any of the beads to hide the knot. And then round. Now you take your key holder ring and you pass one of the fishing line inside the hook, and you tie 3 times. So I'm going to tie 3 times, then I will pass back my fishing line into several beads to secure my knot. Now it's tied, I'm going to go back into several beads to secure the key holder. So you trim off the excess with your scissors, trim off the excess fishing line. And there you have your 30 beaded ball key holders. There you are. You can attach your key now. So here is my key and I'm attaching it. Alright.